Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy and oil-free hummus recipe made with beetroot, which can be had as a healthy dip for salads or as a healthy spread for sandwiches. Hummus is nothing but a spread or a dip made with boiled chickpeas, and I have already shared my version of a healthy hummus recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Traditionally, tahini is used in hummus recipe, but in this recipe I am not using tahini. This beetroot hummus is easy to make, it's healthy, oil-free and full of nutrients. A perfect dip for your salads, and leftovers can be used up in sandwiches as a healthy and filling evening snack. I'll be sharing the sandwich recipe at the end of the video, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. So let's begin. To make the hummus, I'm using a small chopper which comes along with the stick blender. However, you can also use a small chutney grinder. Into the small chopper, add in 1 cup boiled chickpea, also known as chana, 1 cup cooked beetroot which I have chopped roughly, 3 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 shallots, a small handful of coriander leaves, a sprig of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folic acid. And for an Indian flavor, I am adding in half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, and half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Squeeze in half a lemon. To help all this grind well, I am adding in 3 tablespoons water which was used to cook the beetroot. Now blend all this well, and once blended up, the hummus is thick and creamy. Transfer to a serving bowl, and for topping, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon roasted sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, and lightly mix this and serve with a sprig of fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy this healthy hummus as a dip for salad, and it can be had as a meal for lunch or for dinner. Now to make beetroot hummus sandwich, I am using 2 whole wheat bread slices. Now onto the bread slice, spread 1 teaspoon green chutney. The recipe link for weight loss green chutney will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. And over the green chutney, spread 1 to 2 teaspoons of the beet hummus. Top it with assorted vegetables like chopped onion, capsicum, carrots, or any vegetable which is in season at the place you live in. Sprinkle in some chaat masala and spread 1 to 2 teaspoons of beet hummus on the other slice of bread, and cover and toast the bread. I'm using a toaster which can be kept on the gas, and once toasted, the sandwich will be a crispy, filling and healthy evening snack, or you can have it as a meal. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified on your phone when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.